everybody this morning? How y'all doing? Okay, I'll jump in here that I usually do, all the usual stuff here. Let's get this all going here. So how was everybody's weekend? Okay, what do we got here? I'm just gonna this in. Good morning, Wolfpack. How is everybody this morning? How y'all doing? Okay, I'll jump in here that I usually do, all the usual stuff here. Let's get this all going here. So how was everybody's weekend? Okay, let's check out this. Okay, what do we got here? I'm just gonna this in. Good morning, Wolfpack. How is everybody this morning? Right on, everybody's here. Right on. I'll jump in here that you guys ready for a good week here? Okay, I'm just going to jump over to this other site here, put my stuff as I usually do. And we'll jump into stuff here. Okay, that was that. Hopefully everybody had a good relaxing weekend and stuff. I hope you did. I hope you did. I did. I didn't do that much this weekend. I just relaxed, which is good. Good for once. Okay, that's done. There. Go over to our other group. Oops. Okay. Did I already post in there? That's weird. I already did that. Okay, I already did it. I already did it. Oh, I didn't. It's already the 4th today. Holy crow. It's already the 4th today, guys. That's nuts. Wow. This month's already starting to hammer away here. Okay. Okay, so we'll jump out of that. We'll go get ready here for the market open here. Let me get all that. Okay, sip of coffee. Waiting for you guys all to get in here. Okay, I'm gonna read your guys'. Guys, good morning, Alfred, Captain Sanjay. Good morning, Aaron. TRA. Good morning. RP. Good morning. Alina. Good morning. Richard. Good morning. Aaron. Good morning. I already said. Oh, there's 2 Aarons in here today. Good morning, Aaron and Aaron. And David, good morning. Oh yeah, that lawsuit. Yeah, I seen something about that on there. Okay, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. Johnny, good morning. Are you done? Oh. Okay, let's have a look at AMC here. What's going on in pre-market here? Is there anything else? Is at 1% right now? What's going on with this stupid thing? Okay, there we go. There we go. So yeah, let's see what happens this morning. Got 6 minutes. 6 minutes here. What? There's something I was gonna do here. I forgot this morning. Damn it! Don't you hate it like that when you get doing something and you get sidetracked? What was I gonna do? What was I gonna do? I don't know what I was gonna do. second here. Okay. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, everybody. Right on. Okay, so Aaron's gonna buy some more BB. Good, buddy. Is that what you said? Buying more BB today. Right on, man. What's the price of BB anyways this morning? What is that price of that BlackBerry this morning? Around $10, 10 something. I got the Canadian price on here at $12.27, so it's definitely cheaper than that. See what happens when the market opens here. Did you see that this on the news? Their glad stock got suspended. No, I never seen it. No, I never seen that one. I never seen that news. Good morning, Felix. Felix, I got something going out in the mail this morning for you. Give me till about, it'll probably take about a week for you to get it. Has to go through customs and everything. And Richard, I got an order for your box too this morning. If you're on here already, I don't know if I seen you. I think I seen you at the top, Richard. Just so you know, I just got the transfer right now of the funds. So yeah, I'll put a box together for you this morning. I do need you to send me an email with your address. You might have already done it. I need your zip code, all that stuff. Guys, put a phone number on there, okay? I will not call you, okay? I promise you. But I need your phone number on there in case there's issues. Felix, if you can shoot me your phone number, would be awesome. We'll put it on the package just in case it gets somehow lost in transition, that they can call you in case there's an issue or something. So, anyways, thanks, brother. I just wanted to clear that up first thing this morning. Oh. Dookie dookie. We're already at 114% right now. 1.14%. Just gonna have a look at pre-market. FAMI is at 8.29 pre-market. What time is it? Oh, I'm gonna get set up here. Give me a second, my friends. I gotta get this. I gotta get our wolf sound. Where the hell did I put it now? Where did our wolf sound go? Okay, I gotta find it now. I gotta look for it now. I know I had it somewhere here. Doing a lot of organizing. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Ned. Thanks, Felix. If I missed anybody, good morning, guys. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There's so much stuff on here now. Okay, we do have it here. Okay. Glory, good morning. Okay, okay. And that's good to know. I could talk louder probably, eh? Maybe. No way, Sanjay. That's funny I mentioned that. We were talking about that last week. I've been talking about that for the banks have got themselves in such a fucked up mess right now, pardon my language. Yeah, it's gonna that's why I said make sure that they got insurance on all these places you're buying these shares from. Shit's gonna hit the fan, guys. Shit's gonna hit the fan. That's a lot of money for these places to cover, right? So just make sure it's a big broker you're with. They already said that. Remember when GME with Robinhood back in they said make sure that your broker when that shit went through like January. I don't know. Maybe some of you guys weren't around then. Okay, in January, they warned everybody to make sure your brokers have billions and billions of dollars backup. Okay, guys, market open. Yeah, let's do this. Let's friggin' do this morning, guys. Okay, let's do this. Let's get up in the high percentages here today. It'd be nice to get up in the $40 range. Over that today would be nice. So we'll let all this crap happen this morning, all this dumping crap, and okay. Brooker, are you on here? I need to talk to you. I gotta talk to you. No, I gotta talk to you about something here, bro. You just wrote me an email, so I gotta talk to you. Might as well do it live. Oh, thanks, Felix. I appreciate that, my friend. I appreciate that. Chicago Bears, CBS. Yes, we do get that stuff. I was watching football, and I don't watch sports at all, guys, but I was watching that. The shit hits the fan, the quicker it does. Yes, it does. It helps. It helps. It gets attention to the market, to AMC directly. It's like a tunnel going to AMC, right? So it does help. All this bullshit does. Oh, Richard Brooker. Did you? No, you didn't change your name, right? I'm looking for Brooker. Last name Brooker. If that's I don't think that's different, guy. Sorry, there's so many people on this channel now. I'm like looking for you all, right? I just want to make sure. Okay, I'm gonna read some questions here, my friends. You guys gotta whack them here. Okay, bank. We went through that stuff. It turned low. Okay, bank illegal trading from AMC. I already know all that. Wait, you guys wait until the news is going to come out. There's going to be so many friggin' lawsuits floating around after this AMC. It's going to jam the courts up for the next 5-6 years. Okay. Yeah, I heard about the Bank of America. I heard all that. I heard about that stuff. Is that what you guys are talking about, the banks? Oh, it is a Bank of... Okay, I put puts on the Bank of America. Okay. Right on. Bet against them. Looking for a rip this morning. Oh, yeah, man. Next year. That's weird. The Bank of America got themselves into shit like that. That's kind of fucked up, man. Pardon my language this morning, guys. Good morning, Gluck. Good morning, everybody. Joshua, good morning. Richard, and oh, you did shorten the name. It is you. Okay, I just didn't know. You mentioned about here. I'm gonna go back to your email. Let's do this while we're waiting for this thing to straighten out here. We're down quite a bit here. Well, not quite a bit. It's only fucking 2%. Not even. That means nothing. Okay, last night I watched because we get TSN 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then we get the Fox Sports Network. You're gonna have to look around on the channels for what you want. There's just so many channels on there. I don't watch sports. I told and CBS. I'm pretty sure we get the CBS network. I'm almost positive on that. Been a while since I had like the Fire Stick device, as you can tell. Yeah, you seem to be a little bit more educated than the average on this, Richard. So it's a little bit faster than a Fire Stick, my friend. Yeah, if you know what I mean. So what I will do is you're gonna have to give me. I'll mail it out tomorrow for you, and that's all I got to say about that, my friend. Morning, Manjeet. Go through everything here. Oh, what's going on here? What's going on here? Goldman flags. Holy shit. $8.2 trillion. It's a lot of friggin' money. If lawsuits jam this, no, that won't have anything to do. Well, it will be the squeeze involved. No, it's just gonna jam the courts up, right? There's gonna be so many lawsuits with these synthetic shares and shit. It's gonna fucking, you guys wait, shit's gonna hit the friggin' fan with this fucking bullshit. You just wait. Oh man, they got themselves into a big friggin' problem, and you guys just imagine, just look back, and at all. I know some of you traders are new to the market. Some have not, just stumbled across AMC in the last couple months. I just wanted to be very transparent on this. There's a lot of shenanigans. Look at GME. GME is nothing. I'm not saying nothing compared, but there's not as much bullshit attached to it. Okay, yeah, there was some screw ups with the it was just with one entity there. Okay, it was with Robinhood. Okay, that just the one issue there with Robinhood. We're not talking about like all these trading platforms are gonna have lawsuits against them. I can guarantee it. It's because of the synthetic shares and shit. Like I said, they're insured. Okay, and if something happens, it affects me too, right? I do own synthetics now, right? So I was just looking at my shares this morning there. I have actually more than I thought. So I don't know. I miscalculated them something. I don't know what the frig I did. I got an extra 10 shares, so I'm not going to complain. I just calculated the math wrong, right? So I keep on forgetting I bought more the 3 weeks ago there, right? So, but yeah. It's going to read your... It will not affect the squeeze, guys. This is all afterwards, okay? The only people that get rich out of that stuff are lawyers. You guys know that, okay? Okay. Yeah, Manji, your Tesla's up 2.11% this morning. 791.57 right now. It looks like it's coming. Yeah, it's going up a little bit. Yeah, it's going back and forth between now it's up 2.39. It goes back and forth. It's going back and forth, but it's holding 2% for sure. Okay, let's have. Kind of don't want to go. Do you guys have anything you want to talk about? Good morning, Warren. Good morning, Jason. You want to talk about anything before we jump? I just don't want to. I don't want to go through that stock screener and read all those stocks because it'll change in 15 minutes. It'll all be different. Everything on the board will be different. It's just the way it is, right? Is there anything? Good morning, JP. Shiba is ripping. Is it? I'm gonna have a look at some crypto here. Just have a look. Shiba. Holy shit, it is. It's at 23%. Holy crap. That's quite a bit on a crypto play. That's up quite a bit, man. Holy crap. JP, did any news come out on this? What? That's weird. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, B Ghost. Wow, that's up quite a bit, man. That's gonna bring a lot of buyers in. Good morning, Sasha. I gotta wait on that one. Sorry, guys. I'm very grounded. I just want to just get in there and just start buying. Especially talking to some of you guys on video chat there. I talked to a handful of you there on the weekend, mostly yesterday there, and just talking about different plays and stuff. It has me all like, just wanting to jump in there, right? But yeah, I'm all anxious. You guys are starting to get me anxious. It's all good in a good way though. Not anxious like in the way, not like anxious in like, oh man, I need to sell with AMC. Not that kind of anxious. Yeah, that's crazy, eh? To a penny. Yep. That's how it all starts. I remember Dogecoin was at, when I first seen it, was at 0.06, I think, 0.09, 0.06. And I think that was at the beginning of this year, just before the beginning of the year. And I was looking at this coin, I'm like, yeah, right, that's not going to do anything. But then it's now at 22 cents, right? So who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? It's amazing when people start buying stuff and what it does to the market, right? Yeah, we're down a little bit, but I'm not going to put anything into it right now. just because this is the way the AMC goes, right? And then it seems to stabilize. What time is it right now? About 7 o'clock it starts doing its shit, and then we start having a day, right? And then about 9 o'clock we can pretty much judge, sort of, kind of, in a way. If you guys know exactly what I'm talking about with this stuff. Nobody knows what it's gonna do. Looks like a little bit of a bowl forming here. So yeah, the range I would like to get up to, obviously I'd love to get in the 40s, but what I want to get past is today, I would love to, what's this thing doing to me now? Stressing me out. There we go. I'd love to get up in this range here. That's 3 lines we got to pass. Okay, it's going to take a lot of juice there to get 3 of those. If we can get up in this range here and we can hold this range into the next day, would be beautiful. Beautiful stuff. That's a lot of power to punch through all 3 of those. So here in said than done, let's freaking do this, right? We do have a road ahead of us still, guys. I'm just giving you guys heads up on it. Sanjay, is that what it was? Because when he talks, I wish he would talk about AMC. We'd only need it a couple times. Like, why won't he just say AMC is the best movie theater? I went to the movies. Even if he would have says I went to the movies, I love the place. You know how high this would go? I bet you it would go up about 10-15%, maybe even higher. I don't think it would be our catalyst to get the squeeze to happen, but if he did it 3 times, it would. Guaranteed, he has a lot of pull with his mouth. If you guys already probably know that. So. Yeah, man. I'm in a good mood this morning, guys. You guys should be in a good mood because you're part of this, right? I know it would all be nice if we're sitting here and we're in the middle of a squeeze, but it's coming. It'll come. Don't know if it's going to be this month, next month, or the month after, but it'll be here. When it's here, we'll know. When it's here, you're going to see me in front of the camera dance. I'll actually dance for you guys. I'll actually get into a really good mood, which I usually always am, but you'll see me. I get overexcited like a kid in a candy store. A couple of you see me like that before, but what was I going to talk about? So anyways, guys, talk to me about this friggin' lawsuit. Not the lawsuit, but I'm going to go back in your messages here. You got me interested here. I'm going to Google some stuff here in a minute. We are okay. The bank was on national TV. I seen blips of that, but this Kenny bullshit. Please tell me somebody's a little bitch in jail. Wouldn't that would make my day? Sorry, ladies. Sorry, but it would make my day. Exactly, Jerry. Exactly. That's what I'm saying, my friend. Hi, Rodney. Good morning, brother. Right on, man. I love the excitement from all of you in here, and and thank you for the comments, guys, that I get on my email. I really appreciate that stuff. Yeah, it just a lot of you opened up. A lot of you have big hearts, just like me. You keep on saying I do. It goes both ways, okay? Thank you so much for the comments. I really appreciate that. Okay, whoa. Just to say I'm holding for you. Today? 001 ruling goes in effect today? Just give me a second, guys. I got to jump on that. I'm all over that. Just give me a second here. I'm just going to pull something up. It's easier if I do it on my phone because I have the mic already used here. So I'm just going to jump off here for a minute, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. Is that a... Yeah, it is. Rule 011 is in effect today. What is that entail? I just want to see the... fuck, it's not going to come up. Of course not. Who is that through? Is that through the NSC? I can't even say it this morning. Or is that the SEC, Rodney? It's a little bit easier if you know which department of the government that's coming through. Yeah, Spartan. Good morning. The whole the whole market is. Yeah, and the weird Tesla's almost at $3, 3%, $3. It's almost at 3% right now. I know it's weird. A lot of them are up, and then a majority of the big blue chip stocks are down right now. The 500 is down. The SPY 500 is down. Usually when that goes down, everything else follows it. The bigger companies at least, and then that's when you see the littler companies break out. They're the reverse. You see the reverse. Holy shit! Enbridge is at $40 a share. Are you kidding me? That thing's been creeping up a little slowly every day. They pay a 6.55% dividend yield, guys? Damn. They were at a $26.97 the low, and they usually trade at. Yeah, wow, man, that's pretty good for Enbridge. Wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And they had all those problems with the number 7 pipeline, too. What's going on? Oh, wow. Something has happened. My sorry about that, guys. The channel, my software the whole YouTube just crashed and then started back up again. Sorry about that. I don't know if you guys heard that. Can you guys, did you know anything about that ruling 0-011? Do you guys know anything about that? At all? I don't think Rodney's on here anymore. Is there any way that somebody can check that out for us? And I will. Mr. L, good morning, my friend. Wayne, good morning. The whole crew's here this morning. I will check that for you. I will check that. Just give me a second here. Okay, dokely. Okay, I'll check that symbol for ya. Pro. Am I spelling that right? Yeah. Okay, there's a couple different here holdings. Is that what you're talking about? Potentially in October still. Nobody really knows, Jeremy, that date at all. I'm hoping it should be. Hey guys, I don't know. Okay, just so you guys know. That's why I hate throwing that stuff out. You guys ask, and then I'm like, I'm hoping it's gonna be around the end of the month, but nobody knows, my friend. And I don't want to put a date or a month really on it. Just put it this way: as of like December, January, has been a year. Okay. December has been when they started priming this, November, December. So, just put it that way. And I hope it's by the end of the year, like by Christmas here. I'm having problems finding this thing, man. Here for you. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, who was asking that question? Mr. L. She's it's at $43.67, 1.22%. It went down a little bit. I don't know what it was in pre-market because it doesn't tell me on here right now. It doesn't tell. Oh, it did. It opened at 43.46. If that helps you, my friend. Yeah, Jeremy. I want this to squeeze just as much as you, my friend. Integrity in. Oh, holdings. Okay, I'll look at that one. There was like three of them there. I went with. Okay, that's the shitty thing about this that they don't. Okay, there you go. It's at $1.93. Buck. Yeah, that's Mr. Algadar. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. So it's 1.9. It's 8.38 in the it's in the green on that one. It's cracking around 7.53 in that range, back and forth. That'd be a good little profit for the day. And that's a cheap stock too. That's a nice cheap one. These are the ones I like playing with. I like getting like $5,000 or $10,000 lots of shares. Good morning there, brother. Good morning, Mr. Citizen. Mr. T. How you doing, Mr. T? So yeah, passed on this one. It already overturned 23%. So they're just targeting these smaller stocks for sure. Are you in on? Oh no, you didn't say that you were in on this. You didn't say that you were in. Okay, I'm just gonna jump back here this morning. We recovered a little bit here. Yeah, it's gonna be one of these days or one of these mornings, my friends. It's gonna be one of these mornings. It is what it is. Damn, only bought 10 shares. Don't you hate that? Afterwards, you're like, oh man, I should have. But there's something in you that told you not to. Maybe that's for a good reason. I usually, I listen to hey, this is the thing about trading. This is something I learned. It works for me. I don't know if it works for everybody else. You know when you do something wrong, or you just know your body knows. You get that weird feeling in your stomach, like even with trading, or you're doing something wrong where you shouldn't, that's illegal, like speeding or just anything like little stupid shit in life. You get that weird feeling in your stomach. Or if you're doing something good, you get that weird feeling in your stomach still. You can't really tell the two apart sometimes, right? But if you listen to your heart, it never steals you wrong, and I friggin' believe that. It's and when I listen to your heart is when you get that anxiety stuff going on. It just, I don't know, that's what I get that with AMC, with the heart thing, right? So I'm just telling you guys. I don't know if it means anything, but it's always steered me right on the path before. So AT&T, it looks like they've upped their shares 0.52%. I have a thing here that says ticker symbol T. It's saying share dividend per share 0.52. So let's jump over here. They're upping it. So if that's correct information that I'm getting, it's at 7.59. If they up it 52 cents, that's gonna be over 8%. I'm all over that share, man. Or that stock. I'm really loving that, man. That must have been the 5G shit they rolled out. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Sasha, if it goes down that low, yeah, that's like I said before, that doesn't bother me when it dips down low, guys. I know just for eye candy it does. It sucks ass, but it just gives a chance for some people that are less fortunate than us to get into the market. Okay, that's all it does. Nobody would in their right mind would be selling at those prices. There's a lot of people, I was talking last night, there's a lot of people that are up in that $60, $70 range, okay? A lot of new investors came in. So they're and it might be some of yourselves that are in that range that bought at that high range, right? And then it plummets to half. It's at almost half right now, right? A little bit couple percent off, but here nor there. We're splitting hairs there, but so I know how that feels because I had that happen to me when I bought at 14 and it went to 8. And then I bought more shares, right? But that feeling that you get, it makes you almost sick to your stomach because you got a lot of money invested, especially when you're buying at that high range. You got lots of money invested. Most people, I know people that have their life savings, and probably some of you guys do, but like literally life savings. And I know a couple. I gave one of my friends, I actually fucking got really mad at him over it. He put a mortgage on his house and took out $60,000 against his house and bought AMC. I fucking tore a strip off him. So I know it's for a good cause, but he's paying a percentage on that. I just told him there's so many variables that can happen that was not a smart move at all, right? So it is here nor there. He's already bought it. He bought it a couple days ago. I was really inspired by your channel, and I always tell all my close friends, call me before you buy that stuff, right? So I don't agree the way he bought them. He bought them all at once and didn't buy them in different sections and different lots. At that amount of shares, I do things different, right? I nibble away at different ranges, and because you get stuck in that ask and buy shit, and it might be different in the States, but up here it can really screw you over. Depends on, and sometimes you can't fill. He was having problems filling his orders. It took him like 3 days to do it, and I'm like, dude, all you have to do is go in different lots, smaller groups. So it is what it is. He's in the market now, but like, yeah. And he's one of these guys that like he's never gonna leave me alone. My phone's gonna be ringing every 10 minutes. So it is what it is. I told him I'd do what I can, but he thinks I'm like this god, and I'm like, dude, I'm just a normal fucking person, right? It's like, no, but this, and I'm like, no, but nothing, okay? So it is what it is. He might be here. He's like, I'm camping on your couch, or in your office, the spare room. I was like, my studio's in there, man. You can't sleep in there. He goes, well, no, I can just put an air mattress on the floor. He wants to stay here during the squeeze. Oh my God, you gotta love friends, eh? It's all good. It's all good, though. That's right, Ed. Usually Mondays and Fridays are really bad trader days, guys. Just over the market in general, but that's just my opinion. I just want you to know that's just strictly my opinion on that. We're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. We're half an hour. Okay, I'm gonna read through. Oh, is it? Okay. Thank you, Mr. L. I was waiting for someone to. It was the NSCC. Okay, because the SEC, I'm on their website. I have a direct link on their site. So and the notifications are put on. So anything that gets new, I usually get something. Usually, right? So thank you very much, Mr. L. Thank you so much. Okay, I know it's hard for you to type up all that. I'm gonna Google that and we can go through it, guys. We'll see what happens today. Usually those laws are put in the afternoon. Good morning, Mr. Proud. So what we will do is we're gonna go through all the ticker symbols right now, guys. It's about that time. It's about that time. So just bear with me for a bit. Give me a couple minutes here. Okay, GME ticker symbol 175.65%. We are 0.71 in the red on that this morning. AMC's $37.53, 2.37 in the red. That's percentage. So $37.54. Okay, so ticker symbol CCL, Carnival Cruise, $26.29. It is 0.73 in the green on that one. Okay, Naked Brand is 67 cents, 0.74 in the green. American Airlines, ticker symbol AAL, is $21.85. It is 0.88 in the green. Costs is $16.08, 2.43% in the red. Holy crap. Sorry, guys. Ticker symbol SU. Suncor Energy is at $27.06, 2.23 in the green. Wow, good. Good. So, Air Canada is at $24.49, 0.61 in the red on that. BlackBerry, this is the Canadian price, is $12, and this is a good buy. Whoever's buying today on that is, if it was me, I would wait a little bit longer. I could see this going down a little bit lower for you guys. Ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry is at $12.06. That's Canadian price, okay? It's 1.71 in the red, and the percentage will be the same, okay, on both countries. I just wanted to, yeah. So that one I would wait. This is just strictly me. You guys do whatever you want. I can't really tell you what to do. I'm saying if it was me, I would wait on that because I could potentially, they don't trade that much stock, and I could see it doing a little bit of a dip. I could see that going down to about 2% in the red. Okay, today it's just one of those days, right? You can kind of tell. So I'd wait. If it was me, I'd wait a little bit longer. Save yourself a little bit of cheddar there. So ticker symbol MVIS is $10.46, is 3.37 in the red on that. And some marijuana stocks here. CGC, Canopy Growth, $13.09, 2.42 in the red. Oh, it changed. Nope, it went up a bit. It's back and forth. Okay, so ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial, is at 65 cents, 2.04 in the red. Damn, that's freaking getting low, man. Fuckers. So you guys, I'm not, like I said, I'm not in on that, but I know almost every one of you has that stock, and I want that really to go up for you guys. It would be nice to go up to about the 80 cents would be nice. That would be a fucking good present for you guys for the day, for the week. So, some crypto. Dogecoin's at 23 cents. It's 6.5. Oh, it just went up. It's 7% pretty much across the board right now, in the green. Cardano, ticker symbol ADA, is at $2.21, 2.07 in the green on that. Bitcoin is $48,280, 1.57 in the green. Ethereum coin, ticker symbol ETH, is $3,405. It is 2% across the board in the green. Okay. Do you guys want me to look up anything else while we're in here? While we're having a look at this? Do you guys want me to cover anything else that you guys are interested in? Oops, shit. I got the clicky finger thing happening this morning. There we go. Down 3%, 3.38. It's going to be one of these days, guys. So, what we're going to do is we're going to obviously keep an eye on this, but we're going to take a break from this, and I'm going to find some information for you ladies and gentlemen on this new ruling today and see what it implies, okay? Actually, give me a second here. I think I might be able to buy some more stocks. I think I had some money transfer over. Just give me a second here. I just want to check an account because I'm liking this price. I got to wait for it to go to 5% for that call. I think I do. It's almost going to be there. Fuck, it's going down fast. 37, 36K. Just give me a second. I'm just going to go to my broker here. I just got a little bit of money left over from a stock that I cashed in the other day. I liquidated a couple stocks. There's some COVID shit, right? I'm just too busy to keep an eye on them, so I just sold them, right? I made a whole 2% profit. Ooh, big spender. Okay, let's buy some more AMC. Let's see if it'll let me. I think I'm down. I just want to make sure. I might have to go down another percent to get an even lot sale. We'll see. I don't think I'm there yet. I have to wait. Might have to wait a little bit longer. It's just I want to buy a couple and no, it wants me 5% differential. So that'd be 5% US converted to Canadian. So that'd have to be $36. I hope it doesn't go down at all. It doesn't really matter what it goes to, really, because the price is the price. As you guys know, that doesn't really affect anything. It's just going to give a chance for more people to get in, and I'm all for that. I want everybody to have their fair chance to get in on this stock. Good morning, Kay. I know it sucks, as I call it eye candy, looking at the stock and seeing it low. It does not do good for the morale. It definitely stresses you out a bit. Me, it does it. It doesn't. I've been looking at, like I said, I've been looking at this so long. And I told you about the story of, like, I think it was 50 days. I'm pretty sure it's 47 or 50 days. It was red every day. Red every day. Good morning, Free. I don't know when it's going to squeeze, man. I'm just messing with you. Did you just get off work, bro? Did you just get off work, my friend? So you're rooting the price to go down? Maybe a little bit. It doesn't, Sanjay, it doesn't really, either way it goes, it just for satisfaction for us. Because I know how this is going to play out. When it hits it, when the market turns, it's going to be very bullish and it's going to go. It really doesn't matter what price it's at. I just know that including yourselves, that if it goes any lower, and I don't know, I'm not going to put a number on it, is it's going to give people a chance to get in the market. I know there's a lot of people that would love to get in on this, and it's just too expensive, right? We all know that, right? This is big leagues now. These prices. I know it's not like Tesla or anything like that, but I'm saying it's not a couple dollars anymore, right? Mr. L, I heard something about that. Cam, in a gamma squeeze, what do you see the price dip to? In a gamma, it goes the other way, bro. Like in a gamma, like it should be up in the hundreds of percent. It will start, okay? It'll start going, and then the FOMO, like gamma and FOMO kind of like blend. Oh, on Robinhood, yes, I did see that. I did, yeah. I did see that. I seen a blip on that. That came over actually on Google Finance, actually, of all places. I was like, what the hell is this? Like, are you talking like, oh, I know what you're saying, Proud. I know what you're saying. The waves. You're talking about the waves, right? I can see it going in the 100% dips. Is that what you're talking about, my friend? Explain. I knew you were going to say that, Sanjay. I knew you were. So yeah, when you're talking when this thing's just rocking and rolling like this, it's sky's the limit. The fluctuation in the prices is going to be huge. That's why I'm a little bit not worried, but when I execute my orders and stuff, like it's going to be very, I don't know how the hell they're going to, it's going to be such movements in the 1 minute candle. By the time you execute that order, it's already going to be changed. So yeah, it goes, well, Proud, it goes up in waves. Like it's the same as anything. It will go, like you mean wave action, right? The fluctuation, nobody really knows what it's going to do. It's going to be in the 100%, hundreds of percent, 50 to 100% in that range, because the gamma will kick in. They'll start covering. I'm assuming around the $80. It could be even $70 to about the 100. I think it'll be in the 100. I think they don't have as much money as I think we think they do. Okay, I think it's about the 120, 130 range in there. And yeah, what will be is Sanjay. Don't say I know you're joking. It'll be gamma will be coming in. That's what we'll have as a gamma squeeze first. Okay, and then it'll be FOMO gamma, and then it'll get to that price, and then it'll get fucking nuts. Okay, it'll just go wild. It'll be like the Wild West here. Yeah, like I can't wait to use this as a guinea pig for actually snapshotting this and speeding it up into like on the bigger candle frame, so I can actually use this as a video for down the road in a couple of years. It'd be pretty cool. Being part of something that's so big, like way different than Volkswagen and the other ones. Like this will make history, and this. I just wanted to tell you guys that this won't happen again like this to this magnitude, and I think you guys already know that because the laws that are changing, this payment for order flow shit. If that gets stopped, do you guys realize that will be our catalyst? Okay, I know we still got the rerouting with the dark pool and all that. I know that stuff's all messed up and stuff, but I think that either one of these will kick it. It's just because you think you'll get rid of your shares in one day. That all depends on the price. I was talking to I was talking to some people last night about that, about would I sell all at once if it goes to the price it goes to? Fuck yeah. Hands down. If it hits to my price that I want, and I probably wouldn't sell all of them. I would probably keep 100 on the table, but I would dump them immediately. If it got to the price where I want, and I don't have to do the share recovery, and it just went, like I woke up in the morning and it was I can't put a price on it. What is that right now? 1,000% would be at 100 would be 1,000% would be 3,300, so it would have to be 10,000%. That's a lot saying that even. Yeah, if it was at my, that's kind of impossible in my eyes, but yes, Mr. L. If it gets to my price target, I will be dumping them all. Okay, except probably 100 shares, which I'll keep for the push, for sure. And it'll be hard to even hold those 100 shares but after I've already done my recovery or like all of it. But yeah, so say one, it'll be higher than that there, Sanjay. But yeah, when it gets to that target range, I could definitely see me dumping almost all of them except 100, because why would I wait if I've already got to that price range and the share recovery is off the table? Oh, welcome to the Wolf Pack, man. Elite membership. I just seen that pop up on the screen there. Welcome, brother. So yeah, I could definitely see that happening, and me just go all of them, and that's up to you guys. That's up to you guys what you do, but look at it like this. I had to think about that one last night while we were talking, and really think about that one. I'm thinking share recovery. Why would I put myself through all that stress of that 3-system thing? I know I stand behind it, but things change in life. Do you understand what I'm saying? It wouldn't be the negative, it would be to the positive. New member. Yeah. Right on. Who is it anyways? I can't tell you guys. It popped up too fast. Wouldn't blink trace it. See, citizen? See, there you go. Exactly, Big T. Yeah, for sure, my friend. For sure. that's up to you guys. But, oh, it's Henry. Henry. Right on. Welcome, Henry. I just got it just right now. Welcome, my friend. So, yeah. That's that. I won't blink. Yeah, you guys too. See, you guys think the same way. It's too crazy not to do that. And even holding at that range, even holding 100 shares, it would be hard. Like, it would be hard for me too. But I would just do it for the cause to see how high this would go. And then when it even got a little bit higher, I think I'd dump the 50 and keep 50 and then just work my way down and just mess with it, right? Does that help you guys at all? I think you guys already had that in your head, kind of thinking about that. But yeah, excuse me. Oh yeah, we're gonna check that out. Okay, guys, just give me a second here, my friends. You guys can go ahead on the chat bar and just talk about stuff and ask me questions. What I'm gonna do is look for that ruling here. Okay, I'm gonna try to get some information on that ruling here for you guys, and we'll go through that because I'm very curious myself. Oh, you can't copy off the chat bar. Okay, 2021-001. Okay, give me a second. Okay, let's have a look here. The 6th today. Here it is right here. It's a PDF file. Okay. The secretary just put this through. Amendment. Oh, it's an amendment. Okay, they already had the law. They're amending it. Okay, so the law was already there. Okay, let's see what the fuck is going on here. Self-regulatory must be provided to clear the public. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just going to scan this document here. Okay. Official document, the filing. Don't you just hate all the legal crap that they have to tell you in the beginning? Tell me what the friggin' thing is about. Okay. It says they've been changed but not implemented. Okay. It takes 10 business days. It'll take no later than 10 business days after approval. Okay. I'm just reading this stuff here. Still won't tell me what the fuck it's about. You're just going on and on and on. Clearing fund formula. Okay. We got it here. Okay. Clearing fund formula and other matters. What? That's it? That's it. What the hell? What the fuck do they do here? It's really vague. Okay, from October 1998 revised. So they're doing a document from back then. It really doesn't tell you what they're fucking doing here. Pardon my language. This is that irritating as hell. Did you guys see what? Show. Okay, I only have 100 right now, and thinking I would hold back a couple of shares. That's smart, T, for sure. Getting hit hard. We are getting hit hard. It's going down, but are we fucked? No, this will give a chance for more people to buy shares. The shorts haven't covered yet. Okay, I'm gonna have to go out of this document and back, guys, on this. I'm gonna jump back and forth. I'm reading your. What's your percentage of AMC not squeezing? Thinking of selling my Tacoma. Proud to buy more shares? Is that what you're talking about? What's your percentage of AMC not squeezing? I don't have any percent that is not going to squeeze because the shorts have to cover, my friend. I'm 100% positive on that, okay? And I doubt I'm going to be wrong on that because they have to cover. Even if, okay, guys, even if the price is low and they start covering at a low price, it's still going to kick it. It might not be as big of squeeze as we thought it was, okay? But it will still put it up thousands of percent, okay, guys? That's what I'm saying. Nobody knows. Nobody knows at all. There's so many shares that need to be covered right now. Boo! Do you think they will cover this year? Carlos, a squeeze takes a year, my friend. A year, if not longer, my friend. It's a planned event. Just so you're aware of that. That's right. That's right, Sandra. It's not if, it's when. Yeah, that's true. Do I think they'll cover Boo? Do I think they'll cover this year? I don't know that stuff. It'd be stupid not to, just because because of the bullshit. What's going on? We do need a catalyst. We have to do this. We don't have there's a couple negative things against us, but it's not the end of the world. Okay, our volume is down. Okay, straight across the board, it's the lowest it's been for a while. It's just fluctuating in this channel. That's not our fault. That's that dark pool shit. Okay, these prices. What this does is it gives it a chance. Like I said before, people that are less fortunate than us, okay, to be in on this, to get in on it. Okay, it's kind of a good thing in a way. I try to look at the positives on stuff. And it is what it is. Like, it's still going to squeeze no matter what. What it will do is the prices won't go as high as everybody thought they were. That's the worst case scenario if the short starts. Say if they started covering today, okay? If they started covering today, it's gonna it'll go crazy, right? Because it's shorted so bad. There's so much volume out there, and you have to remember all shorts will cover at a different price. So let's just say they go, fuck this, we're covering at the $36 or whatever. That's still going to raise the price because they got to buy the shares from somewhere. There is, and it can't be synthetics. It has to be the real shares. The synthetics mean nothing to them. They can't execute a fake share. It doesn't exist, okay? That's why I can't wrap my head around why they're selling them to us still, okay? So what that does is the people with the real shares, if they don't sell, which a majority of them have been holding since the beginning, like myself, and 99.8% of all my shares are the real ones, okay? The shares I bought last month, or like 3 weeks ago, are synthetics, obviously. 110-20% they are, okay? That's the bottom line of it. So if they covered right now, it would go up quite a bit. It would be more like a Volkswagen squeeze, okay? Instead of like what the numbers were. Does that make any sense to you guys? It would still squeeze. It would 100%. It's just that the numbers wouldn't go to this huge friggin' range that we are all hoping that it's going to go to, and we kind of know it's going to go to, right? Just because of past events and stuff, right? That's the only downfall. And if it hits to only that range of the Volkswagen squeeze, hey, it is what it is. That's still good money, right? That's still, I'd still have close to $1 million in my account, right? So that it is what it is. We can't control that. So that's why I'm saying that just pay attention what you guys are doing, right? You only have one shot at this. That's why we're all going to stick together as a group, and I will be on live as soon as I can with this, and we're going to go through it. And it is what it is. I take things with just the way they are in front of me. I don't speculate and try not to do that. I sometimes catch myself doing it, but I'm very grounded like that. That's why it's like some people are thinking, fuck, he never tells us information. He knows what he's talking about, and he knows this and all this stuff, and he doesn't know. No, man, I might know, but I'm not going to talk about stuff that I don't know 100% on, and it's speculation, okay? I'm not going to feed you guys speculation stuff, only factual information, okay? And if I have a way to back it up. So yeah, that's it. Do I think this will squeeze? Yes. Do I know when? No, I don't. A squeeze takes a year plus, okay? It is organized, okay? There has to be a bunch of contributing factors into a squeeze, okay? We have to have a shorted ratio, okay? It has to be shorted to a certain degree, okay? The shorts have to cover a position, okay? You have to have the volume in. The float has to be overbought. It is. We got that. Okay, I'll tell you. The short's overbought, or the float's overbought. Okay, we got that nailed. 100, way more than the average short squeeze. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now. Okay, if it wasn't for these synthetic things, I don't think it would go as high as it is going to go. But we don't know. We don't even know how many shares are on the market right now with this. Okay, they're still making more shares every day. I don't know how they're putting them in the market. I don't know any of that stuff. Okay, so we do have that. We have multiple trading apps. Like, it's different than just back in the day. We have so many people in on this in different parts of the world that it's in different time zones and shit that it's going to go frigging nuts. Okay? So yeah, we do have a lot of positives. The only thing that's screwing us is this dark pool. Okay? If it wasn't for the dark pool, this would have all been over with. It would have been over months ago, okay? And that's all I can say. But I think they're gonna ban that. I think one day we're gonna wake up. Yeah, I've always shared how many shares I got. I got 900. Or no, I got 1,000 now, just 1,003, I think it was. I bought some more shares 3 weeks ago, so I'm over 1,000 now. Okay, and I can even disclose what they're worth right now. I'm very transparent on that stuff. Okay, so it's gone down 4.75%. There's how much. That's how much my account is right now. That's how much my shares are worth right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. You should be able to see it. I'll read it to you. $103,000. I don't know if I'll put it up a little bit closer if you guys can see that. There you go. Oh, there you go. There's my share. I'm always very transparent with you guys. I have nothing to hide. Yeah, Ryan, if they do that, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really, it really doesn't matter. You have to remember, I bought you have to remember I was one of the first people on this play. Okay, back way when this first started. That's why I've been here since the beginning. That's why the people that have only been in a month or two and they're like, when is it gonna squeeze? When is it? I'm like, whoa, chill out, man. I've been waiting almost a year. Okay, you guys gotta relax. Okay, and we got a little while longer. Okay. I'm not saying it's not going to happen. I'm just going to relax. Nobody promised anybody that was going to be within weeks, months. There was no promise on anything. I did my, I know that I've done my research on this. I knew what I was getting into. Not to this degree. I didn't know about all this dark pool shit. That is all frigging new crap to me. Anyways, to me, I'm speaking about myself. I knew this was going to take a while for the squeeze. I thought it would have been over. Actually, no, I thought it was around this range right now, to be honest with you. I thought maybe at the end of summer to maybe a couple of weeks before Christmas. Okay, in that range in there. Okay. It could be longer. It could be 6 months. It could be 8 months. Nobody knows. Okay. But the shorts have to cover. That's the bottom line. I'm just trying to give you guys some enlightenment on this. Okay. It is what it is. I would not have that kind of money invested in this thing if I knew that it wasn't going to do this 100%. Okay. So, it is what it is, right? That's my leftover playing money. Okay. So, I would never put myself out. I've already told you guys that, and never take loans out or anything like that. That is not my retirement money. That is strictly my playing money. Okay. So I've always said that to you guys. Don't put in what you can't afford to lose. If I lost that much money, yeah, it would suck, but I know I won't because I bought it $8. Okay. $8 and $14 a share, majority of them like 90%. So I know all day long this, I would not, like, I can't say I wouldn't buy right now because I did the other week and it was at fucking, it was $49, right? What it was at 40, yeah, 40, almost $50, right? And yeah, it is what it is, right? That goes against all the rules that I do have in place. If I didn't believe in this stock, I wouldn't have done that. I don't buy into stocks like that unless it is in that price range, or unless it's in that 52-week, and I sometimes go back longer. Because a stock all day long trades between, and in my eyes, this is just strictly me, between 20 and $8. Okay, all day long in that range. Okay, we're taking the COVID out of it. Okay, this stock all day long is worth that. No, I'd even go higher. I'd even say between $14 and $20 range. Okay, so in that range. Okay, so I know that I'll always be able to recover my money back. Right, or else I wouldn't have invested in it at the beginning. Okay, things have gotten a little crazy now in the last 8 months since I invested. Yeah, it's gone crazy. So I just want you guys to kind of think about that one. That there's a lot of people. That's why if you're on, that's why you. That'd be crazy. Now, I'm not saying it will take 2 years. I'm just saying that, yeah, not a problem, buddy. Not a problem with being transparent. Not a problem. I'm not saying it's going to take 2 years, but I'm just saying that this type of wealth doesn't come like handed to you. You guys already know that, right? If it takes 2 years or a year and a half or whatever to gain this kind of wealth, fuck, that's pretty easy life. Nobody's going to hand you this kind of money and just go here, unless it's a lottery ticket. You guys know that, right? It is what it is. Yeah. By 8, they have over leveraged Citadel by 8. Holy shit, Jamal. Wow, you got some actual figures out there. Holy crap. That could be our catalyst, guys. That could be the verge of, maybe not the catalyst to kick a squeeze, but that could get a fucking domino effect happening, guys. What that could do is if that goes, that's a huge friggin' problem. If that happens, that could get all the banks looking at the shit, how much synthetics they have sold, and it could put the brakes on. If it puts the brakes on and they're not selling anymore, that's our catalyst right there. That'll drive so much fucking drive into the market on this that people will want those shares, okay? Because we own them. And what that will do is scare the shit out of the hedgies, okay? Because that shows there's nothing on the market. That's serious problem. Holy shit, Jamal. Are you friggin' kidding me? That's right, Aaron. And I'm not coming on here to be negative. I'm just trying to ground you guys a little bit. Just relax. And if you took loans out on this stuff, that's scary. Just watch what. Don't be going and I can't tell you guys what to do. I sound like your freaking father, or whatever, right? Even though some of majority are older than me, except Jamal, right? But yeah, it is what it is, right? I think my first share was bought in January 5th. I think I bought, and that was 700 and some odd shares I bought then. And I think I paid, what did I pay? It went up to that. It went up to the range of it went up high. It went up, and then it went down a bit. It did a fluctuate, right? And then I bought it around the $14 range, and then it collapsed down to 8. Okay, and I lost half my money right there. And yes, I was tripping, right? Because I just got stung for $20 for on those other plays, right? Within like days previous, and I showed you guys how that happened, right? So it is what it is on that play. Oh, another one popped up. Right on. Boo, why would you give someone more than what they're worth? Andy, good morning. More than what they're worth? Because technically AMC shares are only worth... I understand what you're saying, my friend. Basically betting on the pandemic? I don't understand what you're saying, I don't understand what you're saying, my friend. Basically betting on the pandemic. These shares are only worth, just so you guys know that they're only worth between $14 and $20. These AMC shares, you guys know that, right? After the squeeze, this will all go back down to normal again. Before COVID. Take COVID out of the equation, okay? Yeah. Yeah, they still have to cover. They still have to cover, guys. I didn't see anything in this law. I looked through it. Yeah, we screwed them bad. We screwed them, guys, bad. Just so you guys know that, right? So like I said, we got this live. We're gonna be doing this live. The whole thing live, right? We got our other channel set up and all that. I was just on it the other day. We got over 500 and some odd people on there already waiting for the squeeze on our other channel. Okay, just guys, some people don't. You want to? Both channels will be doing it. The other one's just gonna be running. Okay. We'll see how long YouTube lets it run for. I think they might let it run a day and then they shut it down and then we have to fire it back up on just to another link on the same channel. Just got to make a new podcast, right? No big deal. We'll be covering this constantly. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Rickle. Good morning, Andy. I haven't seen you in a while, my friend. That's right. That's right, citizen. They're just kicking the can down the road. What they're going to do is they're going to bankrupt everybody. All themselves, pretty much. They're screwed. They are so fucking screwed. You have to... They got an attitude problem, okay, the 1%ers. I don't know any billionaires. I know multimillionaires, okay? I'm very, like I said, I'm very transparent on this shit. They got an attitude, okay? They look at people below them. I'm not talking all of them. Okay, there's some good Christian people out there, or good religious people. Let's be more elaborate on that. There's some good religious grounded people out there. Doesn't matter what nationality you're in. I don't care. Anybody's allowed welcome on this channel, right? And you guys know that. So there's some good grounded people that are very well off, that look at things different in lives, that do give a lot to charity and stuff like that, that aren't fake. Okay. But a majority of people that have that kind of money, they got it in a way that isn't less necessarily legit. Most of them, okay, some of them, okay, especially in the stock market. It seems if you know people in general, that crooked people hang out with crooked people. Straight white collar people that do white collar crimes do white collar crimes together. People that just working people hang out with working people. Okay, people that go to pubs every night hang with people that go to pubs every night. Do you know what I'm saying? People usually congregate in the same groups. So here said is that those type of people, we have come into their house. Okay, the stock market, this isn't our playing ground. Okay, we're in here as a guest, and we're pretty much giving them the finger. Okay, and they're pissed, right? They've been doing this for generations, and that's why they know all these loopholes, and we're just trying to learn as we go behind them, pretty much, right? So what is Andy? Oh man. Yeah, Jamal, I will. I definitely will check some stuff out. But yeah, that's why it is what it is, guys, with that. And I just want you, why am I okay? I'm on AMC. So that's why these numbers, it does suck looking at these numbers, but we know what the whole outcome is of the picture. That's why every day I get on here and just talk. We just talk. You guys help me out. As much as I try to help you guys out and just talking about this stuff, it comes back to me. Does that make any sense? To you, it just gives me the drive to do. I look forward to this every morning. Okay, I get very early. Like, do I need to get up this early? No. All my friends think I'm friggin' nuts to be doing this. They're like, why would you not sleep in the mornings, like till 8? Get up and enjoy your life. And I said, I am enjoying my life. What do you mean? I kind of took it offensively. One of my friends said that to me, right? And he goes, well, dude, you have everything you want, right? Like, you don't have to do anything. Why would you get up that early and stress out on making sure the Wi-Fi or your internet works, making sure all the software is running, making sure this, you can just sit there, set your alarm, and you don't even need to worry. Forget about everybody else. Who cares about everybody else, right? You do your own thing. You're good at doing it, right? Why would you share all that knowledge and you don't even get paid? Why don't you charge these people for your knowledge? I'm like, you're missing the whole friggin' thing, man. You're missing the whole point. I like getting on here and doing this stuff. He watched my channel, actually. He just subbed to my channel, or he's been a sub for a while, but he just wrote on my wall just the other day, bugging me, right, about it. But he watches it every day on lunch hour and his break. But yeah, so we had a little bit of we're really, really good friends. He's one of my best friends, right? He usually calls me on my shit. I call him. You know how it is with good friends, right? So then he got back to me on that, and because he watched an actual full episode a couple days ago of it, and he goes, holy shit, man. Because there's a good group of people on there. And I said, I know. And most of them, majority of them are just normal people, okay? And we just talk about normal stuff. Well, not really when it comes to this shit, but we just talk about stuff in general. It's like a big family you got going there. And I said, well, they did it. Like, they just, there's only a certain group of people on here, right? A lot of people could pass through, and just, it is what it is. And the reward will be huge in the end, right? And we just talk about anything. If somebody has a problem on there, we talk about that. If there's some issues, we talk about it, right? And 99% of the time, we talk, or no, I wouldn't even, 75% of the time we talk about stock stuff, 25 we don't. It doesn't matter what we talk about. As long as we're not talking about government stuff too often, I'm okay with that. It's just that it is rigged. The stock market is rigged for you guys to lose. If you didn't know that, you should probably learn that, because it is. It is rigged for us to lose. It always has been. Okay? It's just that we got this. We got this, guys. You guys are... See? That's the joking around that I like. See? No, that's awesome, boo. Yeah. No, I just raised a guy. No, I get talking. No, that's all good. No. You can raise questions all you want. I don't know everything, guys. Okay, I just want to be very. I know you guys. I know that more than the average person. I'm talking about this and a lot of things in life. Like yes, I'm welding and I've done a couple different trades and stuff. I'm still learning. The thing that gets me is the laws between the two different countries. That always stumps me. It's just I have to do the digging and the research, and I've learned myself. No. Hey, it's all good. Keep on asking questions. It's all good. I just sometimes don't have all the answers, right? And I'll that's what I'll do is I'll just put the brakes on and say, hey guys, we got to do some research or something like that. With the computer shares, right? That was a perfect example. Do. Guys, I'm gonna go reload in my coffee. I'll be back in a minute. You guys seem like you have a good conversation going anyways. It's all good. Just give me a sec. I just want to check some info here. What the hell? I couldn't find anything on that stupid ruling. I couldn't find it. It was all this a bunch of lawyer bullshit fucking crap. And it was very vague. Like, I'm actually gonna, sorry guys, I'm gonna dig on that a little bit further here. They accelerated the approval of net transactions for the required funds to... What? Okay, here's another... Just hang on a second. They're slamming it through. They're accelerating this rule. You have to remember, it's September 20th is when they applied. Oh, this doesn't affect. This is more for clearing house. I'm gonna have to dig more into this. It's about minimum required fund deposits. National Securities Clearing Corp. This is for the big boys. They're making sure the friggin' money's in there. That's what they're making sure, that all this money's in there before this squeezes. That's why they put this through. This was a put through like fast. They even said that they're slamming this through. So what I'll do is I'll dive more into this when I get back. Required net transaction. Okay, here. Let's see what Reddit has to say about what are you doing. Okay, here's what it is. Okay, basically the NSCC is margining methodology to remove, okay, institution delivery transactions that are processed through the ID net service, okay? It wasn't really, this ruling wasn't against us at all, okay, guys? I want to be very clear on that. It is form the calculations of members' required deposits to the clearing fund. Okay, they're making sure that they got these money in there, guys, because the squeeze here. They're getting ready, okay? They would not be mending these rules out of the middle of fucking nowhere and making sure. This is all to do with the institutions, guys. Okay, here it is right here. After execution, the purchaser or seller of the shares, details of an ID transactions are matched between the executing broker and the manager, institution, investor, custodian bank. After executing broker has provided final notice of execution, the investor managers provide client trade data to executing brokers by using the Institutional Trade Process Service, ITP. So yeah, it is today it's Eastern Time, 11:30 a.m. today, guys. Eastern Time is going to be put through. That's law. They're having people that are defaulting. Is turning into a big problem across the market. They're stopping that. Ooh, that's going to hit the hedgies bad. That's going to hit institutions bad, guys. Wow. Wow. Okay, here it is right here, guys. More accurately, basically the NSCC is doing everything they can in these languages to seal loopholes. Remember I told you that this won't happen again, this type of a squeeze, okay? They're sealing all these little avenues and loopholes for this not to happen again. Okay, that's why this is the mother of all squeeze. This is it, guys. You have one shot at this. That's it. Yes, you're going to have little baby, they're not going to essentially be squeezes like this. You're going to have little baby rips that go up maybe 100, 200%, things like that in the future. Yes, okay? That's different than this, okay? You guys know that. You should know that. Basically is doing everything okay. The main purpose of this filing is more accurately determine the risk when the NSCC must liquidate portfolios due to members' default. And what they talked about, remember about liquidating? They're going to take, if the hedge funds can't close these positions that we own, okay? Otherwise, buy back the stocks, okay, off of us at a price that we set because we hold, right? They want the real shares, not the synthetics. They are going to start liquidating their portfolios. They have the right to do that, okay? Before they couldn't. It's like you need a search warrant. You need all that shit to come in your house. It's the same thing. You can't just come into somebody's house and start taking their shit out of there and liquidating their stuff unless it goes through the proper procedures with the law. Now they have the law to do that, okay? So they know something's going to happen. They're not stupid, okay? So yeah, this just gives them the right to go into their portfolios and start grabbing stocks like, say, their crypto and stuff or whatever. It could be anything. I'm just using that as an example. And liquidate it to pay us, okay? So they can pay their positions out. Okay, guys? I'm going to leave you with that. I'm going to go get my coffee now. And I just wanted to... I had to get to the bottom of that, my friends. Sorry, I had to. I had to get to the bottom of that. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna jump in there and this just gives them the right to go into their portfolios and start grabbing stocks. Get some coffee going here. Crypto and stuff or whatever. It could be anything. I'm just using that as an example, and liquidate it to pay us. And I'll be back. Okay, I'll read some people here. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, my friends. Echo? I just took it off. I know there was an echo. Oh yeah, we're good. We're golden, guys. On this channel, we're fucking golden. We are so prepared for this, guys. All of you are very confident. I'm very confident in that. Okay? Somebody's covering. How do you figure that, my friend? Somebody's covering. Covering what? Covering covering their stocks right now? Maybe it's smaller hedge funds, but it doesn't affect us because over 50% of the things shorted to shit. I'm not worried about it. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, wolves. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. Okay, give us 10 Ds. Little Ds. I'm going to give you guys more than that. I'm going to give you some wolves here, my friends. Throw some wolves out there this morning for you. Okay. Shit. Just hang on a second. Vaporized. Josh, that's awesome. Okay. Okay. Hey Nick, how you doing, brother? How you doing, my friend? Proof, my friend. Okay. Okay, I got all your guys' messages read. Okay. Yeah, Sanjay, I can look that up right now. I can. I can do that. Okay. MO. Alterna? I'm not, Sanjay, I'm not seeing anything for that ticker symbol, my friend. At all. What is the full, I know, Josh, hey? There you go. I know, every time I leave to do that. Yeah, that doesn't... My Little Pony community is covering. It doesn't... People... Hey, I want to tell you that smaller hedgies have covered all along. Okay, I'm just telling you that right now. We would not even see it on here. We're talking like if 10 people cover, it wouldn't even do anything to this. We would even... Some hedge funds out of the UK covered, right? You guys were talking, I think it was Mr... Or Joshua was telling us that, right? It doesn't do anything. Some cover, more double down, right? I need you... My space modular. That's fucking hilarious, guys. You guys are fucking hilarious. Okay, so Sanjay, I need the full ticker symbol for that, man. MO is not coming up as anything, my friend. Like, what is it? Atlantic. Oh, I got it. I found it finally. I found it. Right here. I got it for you. I found it. 7.80. You got 8.5. Okay, first thing we look at is the 52-week high and the 52-week low. So it's almost half. Locked and loaded. Right on, T. Right on. I got it. I got her, brother. I got her, brothers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, so what we want to look is for the 52-week in between there. We got the V in the center of that. So we're going to take the virus out of there and we're going to go back further. So we're going to go back into weeks and we're going to go back into... Okay. What the fuck was that about? What the hell was that about? Somehow the stock just crashed. The screener just crashed on me. Just give me a second. Wow. Weeble just went for his shit, guys. Ha! We got nothing. What'd you guys do? What'd you guys do to... Weeble just went bankrupt, guys. He just went bankrupt. Yeah, nothing. Come on. You can do it. You guys just bankrupt Weeble. Okay. So, we'll look back here. Hopefully it doesn't crash it on us. We're going to weeks. Okay, there we go. Go to weeks. We're going to take the virus out of the equation. So we got $35 roughly. Okay? So we're going to go back to 2019. Right here. It's trading at 66 bucks, guys. Fuck. Okay? What is it right now? 46? So it could go back up to that again. Could. Went up to 74. This is a very strong stock. Okay, so the low, 2016 we're at now. It had this peak right in here, okay? This is where the virus was, obviously. It's been up to 24. It's been around since, it's been around for 4 or 5 years, it looks like. 14, that's 28, 10 years, 8 years. So in that time, it has been trading up into the $70 ranges some places, close to 80 bucks. It's at 40 right now. This looks like a good stock. I don't know what they're into. Sanjay, that's up to you. You can figure that out. So, this one, 7 point. That's a good. I like that range. I definitely am. I love the 7, the 6 to about the 10, 11. Anything higher than that scares the shit out of me. Really. It's a tobacco company. Ugh. You know, there's no future for that stuff eventually, right? Oh, it's saying, oh, vape. Okay. That could be different. Okay. Okay. So yeah, if they're expanding into like vape products and shit like that, obviously they're adjusting with the market. So they don't have their heads up their ass. A lot of these tobacco companies are just strictly staying with cigarettes and they're losing tons of money, man. A lot of people are going to smoke forever. It's just one of those things, right? So it is what it is. That's up to you if you want to invest into this. I personally, because it's a company that has harmed people, that's up to you, Sanjay. It's up to you, my friend. Yeah, to be honest, pulling all that stuff off, that even they're making poison for people, pulling all that off the table, the credentials, it does look pretty good. I would look at are they in any lawsuits, Sanjay? You got to check that, okay? Everybody, when you're looking at, hey, B-Ghost 2, we got another B-Ghost 2 on here. We got number 1 and 2. I'm just bugging you, man. So look at the news. See, it's a tobacco company, so they're open to prone to lawsuits, okay? You got to keep an eye on that stuff because they make poison, okay? So that's the only negative that I would have with that, Sanjay. That one is because of that, right? What the fuck is going on with Weeble here? You kidding me? Oh, I'm okay. We're gonna put this back in the 1 minute. That's what's going on. So yeah. So yeah, there you go, my friend. It is what it is. I don't think I'd be feeling comfortable putting over like 100 or so plus thousands of dollars into that company just because of potential lawsuits down the road, or if they're in any, because of what they do, right? They're targets. What was that? Members have the wolf. Where do I go, coach? I was just reading here for a wolf tag beside your name. Just go to the front of the page, my friend. Unless you have an iPhone, just hit the join button. There's a join tab. Hit that, and then there's 2 different packages you can do. You can talk to me live on video chat, or you can grab the membership package, the elite package. If you do buy the second option, it does come with all of it. Okay. And then there's certain stuff down the road that I will be doing strictly for members only, as there's an option where if I post certain videos in a certain category, it just goes to all the members. It doesn't go to subs, okay? So I definitely will be doing into that, right? I try not to single people out that aren't members, but there's some things that I'm gonna have to start doing for the members, certain stuff, because it's you guys are going over and beyond and supporting the channel. Not that everybody does, but you're physically supporting the channel. Okay, so I will be having some stuff out there. I might just do a private video, maybe once a month or something with just the members on there or something. I'm gonna have to do something for you guys. Well, I don't have to do anything, but I'm just saying that I would like to. So we'll do. Okay, is this time for the Wall Street dinosaurs to be extinct? We have the people. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Let's get some younger people in there. Almighty, are you on a smartphone right now? Are you on an iPhone by any chance? If you go to the, the very, very front page, you might have to go out of YouTube and go to your subscriptions, go back in. There'll be a little thing that says it on there that says join. But if you're on an iPhone, I've noticed from other people saying that they're having problems with that it doesn't show that option. You might need to go to a couple people have actually had to go to a computer to do it. Okay. I don't know anything. I don't have any iPhone products at all. I'm the Android king. Right? I do Android stuff, right? So I don't know anything about that stuff, my friend. But yeah, you can, you're on an iPhone. That's why, my friend. So you're going to have to, I don't know how that works on an iPhone, dude. You might have to go to, do you have a laptop or a computer? I think that's the only other option, my friend. I don't know why they do that. Okay. Okay. We're moving this to this. Look at that. We've gone up quite a bit. Come on, you bastards. You bastards. See the refresh here. Refreshing. It's refreshing. Okay, let's see what else is happening in the market here. Nothing, eh? Holy shit. The whole friggin' market's red. Like my whole except Suncor Energy, my dividend royalty stock is up 3.66%, which is fucking awesome. Yeah, man, look at that. Look at my whole portfolio's down. Oh my god, you guys are getting hammered on Sundial. Oh man, I feel bad for you guys. There you go. Whoever's buying BlackBerry, there you go. I was 100% right. It's down almost 4% from 1%, 1.7. There you go, my friend. There's your BlackBerry price. Who was on that? Who was looking into that? I told you I'd give you a heads up when I thought that it would be a good price range. For myself, I can't tell you guys what to do. But I was just going to give you a heads up when it got to when the market got to a certain position right now, and that's around the time. It could go lower, but like I said, I know BlackBerry pretty good. It could go lower. I'm just giving you heads up. Okay, let's jump back on here. I just got to go into an email here. I just got to see what you guys are doing. Felix, try this link, brother. Try this link. Okay. Richard Brooker, are you on here still? I need your phone number, bro. I need your phone number for the Android box to send out. Okay. Just to put it on the package in case it gets jammed up at customs or something, they can actually call you instead of sending it back to me. And I will work on that today. I will get that. I'll get that sent out today. I'll make sure that there's that stuff is on there, and I need you guys to do a video chat with me, guys. on Google. You know, the Google chat thing. Most of you guys do have Gmail, so that's good. If you don't, if you're buying an Android box, you need to hook up Gmail. Just make up a fucking account. I don't care what it's called, Android TV or something. Anything you can talk to me, because I'm going to walk you through a bunch of stuff on there, how to download more programs, okay? Sky's the limit with these friggin' things, okay? There's you can get free Spotify on there. You can get, there's a whole bunch of stuff I can show you guys, okay? Enough about that. I just wanted to tell you. Okay, yeah, did you hear what I said, my friend? I just need you to amend your phone number to that. Just in case it gets jammed up at the border. Because we are shipping lithium-ion batteries over the border. I haven't had a problem with them yet, but just in case it gets halted, that they can call you, okay? Because sometimes they need to contact the person to make sure, yeah. It just seals the deal instead of it coming back to me and then me having to remail it again to you, okay? Oh, yeah. I'm going to try something here. Back into my account again. Back into here. Back into there. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I just got your email. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Brother. Fuckers. Huh. Bastards. Okay, I'll read some of your questions here. There's a lot of evidence. Okay, whoa, you guys are getting deep into this stuff here. What the hell is it for cancer, which is potentially explains the powers of the outlawed animated. Okay, whoa, what the hell are you guys into now? Did you figure it out, Almighty? Did you figure it out, my friend? Okay. There you go. I'm gonna throw this one's for good old Kenny. There you guys go. You can have your morning doobie, your breakfast. Okay. This is like selling candy. I'm in a Fidelity account. Balance history is higher than what's in my account. Saying 41 of the highs at 20, I felt that was weird. That is kind of weird. That is kind of weird. That's literally double. That's right, Nick. Good call, Nick. Got a smart wolf on here. Yeah. You guys are all good. Mario, what's up, brother? How you doing, bro? How you doing, man? I'm right there with you too, Nick. I'm with you too, bro. I'm with you too. How's Mario today? Where are you chatting from, bro? Yep. Yeah. Yeah. I know. I can't wait to see all of your all the new stuff that you guys I I don't want to see any Lambos though. Okay, I'll come and kick you right in the ass if you buy that shit. Just because that's crazy. Buy that down the road. Yeah, I want to see what you guys do. I know there's some very intelligent, well, most of you are very intelligent people on here. I want to see what you guys invest in. I want to see your plays and stuff, and what you guys buy, your toys and stuff like that. I can't wait, man. That'll be very rewarding for me too, to see that stuff, right? Okay. God, Cam, I don't need to know what your personal first price target. Yeah, I can't even discuss that, man. I can't discuss numbers. Only Ferraris. There you go. There you go. How much would I have in my account? My first target? Well, I'm doing the 3 recovery plan. But if I put it this way, I always estimate high on stuff and estimate low on stuff that goes the opposite way. My taxes are set at 50%, okay? I know that's a crazy amount over, but that's just how I am, right? So if I get to, in my account, if I get to, put it this way, if I get to $1.5 million, I'm good, okay? So if I hit 1 million, well, what would that be? $1 million, and then a half would go to $1.8 million, $1.5 million. I'm okay with that. I'm done. I that's like having 5 million in my account, because I don't have any bills, guys, except my hydro and my internet and my property tax and house insurance and my food and car insurance. No, but I'm just saying, I don't have all these big bills. So for me to live and me to get by, if I had $1 million, like after taxes paid, in my account, along with what I have in my portfolio, that's fucking huge money, man. That's even being greedy a little bit. Okay. Before tax, $1 million. Or before tax? Oh, okay. That would be before tax. It would be. That is before tax. I always estimate everything like that. If I hit $1.5 million in my account, that's good. I'm okay with that. Okay? Because then I take $500,000 for taxes, roughly. Well, I guess it'd be more than that if it was $1 million. So $1.5 million, it'd be $1.8 million. Somewhere in there, I'm okay with it. If I had, like, before taxes, of $1.5 million in there, $1.7 million, that's not a problem, my friend. I'm okay with that. Like, that million, I can turn into multiple millions within 10 years. Probably even sooner than that, but I always estimate high. By the time I die, I'll probably have that tripled, okay? Easy. Right on, Mario. Right on. Good. Good for you, man. Good for you, brother. Yeah, there's a lot of you from California and the UK, I've noticed, which is awesome. It's beautiful stuff, man. Oh, Than? I think I'm pronouncing your name wrong. If I'm not, I'm going to call you TN. Okay, TN? I got your email, my friend, about the boxes. I do. I was watching Patriot last night, and I sent you an email, my friend. I'm sending boxes out today. Did you want one? Because I need to know. And if you do, I need all your information, zip code, and your phone number, mailing address. And you need to make a payment to PayPal. All the information on the front of the channel. That's up to you. I just was putting it out there. I've been talking to you, and I just mailing boxes this morning. So I'm heading down to the post office with a bunch of them. There's a bunch that my friends are ordering, a couple friends from up north. So I'm doing a bunch of boxes. I'm mailing like 3 or 4. Dominique! When's the... No idea, my friend. Nobody knows. Susan, how you doing today? London. Right on. Wow, there's like a whole... You guys are going to have to start your own little wolf pack over there. That's awesome. Good. There's a whole bunch of people from the UK on here right now, actually. A handful, anyways. There you go. Sanjay is too. That's funny. You're funny. Hey, no, but you can get the Asian channels on there, my friend. You're going to have to program them in yourself, but there's I'm giving you the main store. You guys get the main store and you guys can do whatever you want on there. Wallace. That name Wallace. Isn't that Scottish? Right on, Susan. Right on. There's a bunch of you that have transferred. Good morning, Cookin. Good morning, my friend. Hearthrow. I don't know any of those places, but that's... Yeah? We cover... we target AMC, but we cover all... Just so you know, we cover all stocks. Anything that you guys want, because we're into multiple plays after this. We do target AMC because that's... A majority of people are in on that play. But we have... we're into dividend. We're into making money on this channel, right? So we're setting ourselves up to multiple plays afterwards for making multiple money. Wouldn't it, Mr. L? There you go, Gloria. That's taking greed right off the table. That's the same. Callie in the house. Jason. I just seen your thing pop up there. Good morning, Jason. Scottish, yeah. Well, my last name Simpson is Scottish, right? And my first name, right? So Cameron Simpson. I would love to go to Scotland. That's one place I'm definitely going to be going after this. I'm going to take... I got to go there. I just got to go there. I want to stay in one of those castles. I heard that some of them are converted over to like bed and breakfast stuff. It would be awesome. That would be frigging dope. Oh, man. That'd be so cool. Your dad's Scottish? I'm English through... Oh, through and through. Right on. Cool. Right on. Yeah. That's... You guys are all on the right track. Susan, are you... we're very... that's up to you. How long you been on AMC for there, girl? And, yeah. I just wanted to... I'm very open on what we talk about. That's up to you. I know you're new to the channel. Just kick back and relax. And sometimes we talk about... Like I was talking about, 75% of it is about stock stuff. We do talk about other stuff on here too. Stuff that affects the market. And just stuff in general. Anything to make money on this stuff. In a legit manner, as long as it doesn't hurt anybody. But yeah. Is AMC the only stock you're in? Oh, Switzerland would be beautiful there, proud. I want all of you guys to pay your house off. If once you get that house paid off, guys, sky's the friggin' limit. Just think about it. All the money you make is just bank, right? Well, not all of it, but you know what I mean. That is the biggest purchase of a person's life, for majority of people. and that's the most stress, because you don't own that house until it's paid off. That last dollar, right? You guys know that, right? It's not your house until it's paid off on paper. So it's a nice feeling to have that. Hey, Suzanne, if you wanted to learn some stuff, I know it's very, very, we do have a playlist, and it's, there's two different things that if you wouldn't mind watching is there's a playlist. It's for stock chart reading up in the channel. It's up in my, on the header of the channel. And then there's other stuff on there too that on the front of the channel. Have you seen the Volkswagen squeeze yet? I try to get everybody to watch that because it will open your eyes up. We're going to be doing the squeeze live on here, the whole squeeze. We do have multiple channels on here. Oh my God, Sanjay. You're hilarious, buddy. You get me laughing. You guys are friggin' nuts. Good, Mario. That's a good start. That's a good start. If you can get that house, hey guys, I'm still waking up here. If you guys can get that house paid off, and that's the only thing you can get paid off, whatever brackets it works out to. If you get that house paid off, you're potentially on your way to being a millionaire, because that consumes so much friggin' money and so much stress and time of your life. If you can get that squashed, done, over with, right? That is such a positive thing. Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem. Just to help you out a little bit, right? It's free to watch. You might as well go over the ad. Just give you something to do. So yeah, like I said, like I was just sitting with the wife just last night. We were sitting here talking, and we're just we're sitting here while we're watching. We watch these reality shows. Have you ever seen Vanderpump? That show, Vanderpump Rules. Mr. Hell. We watch stuff like that. The glamorous life stuff, because that's how I think, right? So we like watching that together. And it's just funny, me watching that. You're probably thinking, you watch that kind of stuff? I do it mostly for my wife, right? Because you know how you have to compromise in relationship. Then I got addicted to the stupid thing. It's like that Orange County, House of Wives Orange County. She watches all that stuff because we got it on. Like I said, I don't pay for cable, and I haven't paid for Cablevision for 6 years, right? It's all free. Why would I pay for it through my boxes, right? So what we do is, one thing I do pay for is Amazon Prime, because it's free, right? I ship stuff all over, or I buy stuff like you buy stuff all the time, right? I don't really like Amazon, but where I live, to get cheap stuff, it's all about saving money in this world nowadays. A lot of the stuff is expensive where I live, so if I can order it through the States and save percentage on it, it's obviously worth it. Orange County Choppers. Yep. I love Orange County Choppers. Back in the day, I watched that when it first came out. Okay, I just wanted to I'm just going to do a little bit of flipping around here, guys. I'm going to go over to my over to Twitter and check out to see if there's anything on there that I can share with you guys. Anything new? Okay, hey, I got something right here. China is halting trading on a ton of their securities market, or their stocks. Okay, it's breaking news on Twitter right now, so I don't know. This will use. Wow, crazy, crazy, crazy. That probably is affecting our market right now a little bit, guys. I'll follow you back, Mario. I just got you. Anybody that wants to follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you right back if you follow. It's just how I am. And just in case the channel goes down or anything happens with us, Twitter is the main handle that we can expand from again, right? Just so you guys know that. Not that we're going to go down. It's just that you know how I am, right? I'm always ready for the next friggin' thing if something happens, right? Oh. So there you guys go. There you guys go. Oh, I wish I could share this. I'm going to retweet this. This Bart Simpson supporting Everlast corruption. I don't see anything in news here today. That's funny. If you guys go over to my Twitter, you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah, they are, Sanjay. They're hammering on us today. Definitely we're getting hammered on. They're diverting fucking major shit to the dark pool today. They're just hammering on us. It is what it is. We're going to go back to that $40 in the next day or two, and then it'll probably be back. We're playing this friggin' game right now with them. Or they're playing it with us. We don't really want to play games with them, but they want to play with us. And it is what it is. Because they're friggin' retards. They're retards, man. And it is what it is. They can keep on doing all this shit they want. Right? It's not going to affect us. Well, I hope it doesn't affect you guys. You guys, I've been trying to keep you guys positive on that. That's just a frigging number. It doesn't really... I know it's satisfaction. Now we're down 4%. The satisfaction of actually looking at a good number on there, of course, it does a lot of positive, but excuse me. I just need to. Oh shit! It is at that right now. Thanks, Sanjay. I owe you. I owe you. I owe you. Okay. I'm back. Just give me a second here, my friends. Back to Well Simple. Back to my broker. My broker, my broker. Who's my favorite South Park character? South Park character. Kenny. You killed Kenny. Get it? I haven't watched South Park. Oh, fuck. Oh, forever, my friends. Forever. 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 You bastards. You killed Kenny. Fuck you, you piece of shit. Fuck. Mr. Hanky. Is that who you like? Mr. I forgot about him. Mr. Hanky. Who's that little... Is that the little poo thing? That little piece of poop? Oh, is Cap on here? Good morning, Cap. Good morning, my friend. How was your weekend? Putlers for me. I'm going to do a roll call right now. Where's everybody from this morning? Where's everybody from this morning? I'm going to throw you some wolfies out too. There you guys go. There's some wolves for you. I like doing a roll call once in a while. Rockin'. It's almost that. Well, it's still too early, I guess, to get some drinks. I watched 90 Days Finance. Oh yeah? Is that what you did? Is that what you did on the weekend there? Houston, Texas, Virginia, Annapolis, London. Yeah. Jad, how you doing, bro? Virginia. Excuse me. Excuse me. Georgia. New Mexico. The Los Angeles. Los Angeles. Jason. California. Protest. Mr. Mexican Boss. Area. Quebec, Canada. Are you? Oh, brother. That sucks. Like, literally right now you're stuck on the side of the road, dude. Aw, that sucks, buddy. Florida. Virginia. Okay. Oh, yeah, you're commenting to somebody. Sorry. Right on, guys. We're all over the place this morning. Good. That's good to see. What's wrong, Jad? What's wrong with your car, bro? Or I guess if you knew, you'd fix it, probably, right? That's kind of a stupid question. Oh, let's blow this back up so you guys can see it on there a little bit more. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in a row that are green there, Cap. It's almost 9. I know. It's almost Red Bull time. I'm going to stay on for another 10 minutes, guys. Or actually, I'll stay until 9 o'clock. And then I'm going to jump off because I got some Android boxes to make for you guys and get out in the friggin' mail. Chris, if you go to the front of my page, that count doesn't exist. In that, when I click your Twitter link, it doesn't come up as, okay. That's good to know. There you go, bro. Oops, shit. That's good to know. I'll fix that. Thank you. That's for Twitter. That's for Twitter, guys. Bad injectors and my oil coolers. Oh, fuck. Oh, pardon my language. David, Baja, California. Oh, that's cool, man. I'd love to go down there and check that out. Oh, man, that kind of sucks. $1,000? Oh, man. Shit. That's, fuck, that sucks. Yes, it's going up. We're doing something here. Cam. Okay, Cam, can you burst out that virtual barbecue? Yeah, no kidding, eh? Oh, what are the Android boxes? They got, they're like, well, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I got Felix's right here. Just made it last night. Here's Felix's Android box right here. It's heading out to California today. There's the remotes. Here's the remotes. They light up different colors. See? These are Bluetooth remotes. And here's the box right here. I'll open it up. Sorry, guys. There's nothing really happening on the market right now. So here's the Android box right here. And here it all is. All in plastic, still brand new. So You just plug one HDMI into the TV, power cord to the wall, and then that's it. It all runs off this chip. They're pre-programmed. They get up to 20,000 channels. Depends on the languages you speak. All movies like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, all of that stuff is all free. Okay, you don't have to pay for it. It's not as of like a Netflix app. It's these apps have all those channels in it. Your Cablevision, all that kind of stuff it's pretty much, it is all free. So you get sports, you get that stuff all over the world. And yeah, if you want to know more about it, Jad, just send me an email, my friend. I don't discuss his prices and that stuff over here because it is YouTube. And yeah, it's just it's the way of not paying for cable, my friend. It can save you thousands of dollars a year. So there you go. There, hopefully that helps you guys. I showed you a gist of it, a bit of it. It just saves you money, right? I actually designed this box to help people on assistance, social assistance. You guys know what that is. People that are less fortunate than us, okay? That's what I first started building it for. I built it for myself originally, but then I started selling them at, it's called a swap meet. It's a place on Sundays that sells stuff at like a warehouse. And what I did was I started making these things and selling them at a reasonable price compared to Cablevision to help people on that are less fortunate than us. Mothers with single children that want to watch cartoons that cost a fortune for these packages. So that's what I initially started for. It was packed full of cartoons, all that kind of stuff. And then it just went from there, right? And that was 6 years ago. Okay. What's Gloria doing now? Oh, yeah. She's the traveler. She likes to travel. I was born in Virginia. Oh, you guys are... Wow. Small world, eh? Oh, thanks, Sanjay. I try. I got a lot of improvements too, man. I try to move every day. I try to improve, right? Thanks, guys. You guys do too, though. You guys do too. That's something I've been working on for my whole life, right? I was when I was younger, I had a really distorted thinking. It was the way I was raised. Raphael, what's up, brother? I like your new emoji, dude. Your new avatar. Sorry, avatar. How's Raphael today? How's it going in Raphael world? Yeah. What the heck is going on here? And it does look like, who said cup? Who said a cup and a handle? Somebody said that, must have said that by now. It's all good. Talking Colts first win yesterday. Sorry, Cam, I have to switch to Dan. It's all good, my friend. It's all good. Okay, Jad, not a problem. Not a problem, my friend. I'll look at the email before I go. If you do want to put a thing in, it doesn't matter when you guys do. I don't want to rush. But just so you know, I'm mailing today. I can always go down there in the next day or two. Just it's a little bit of a drive to the post office. That's all. I don't care though. The Colts win yesterday. Yeah, I never got in. I haven't gotten into sports that much, my friends. I'm not in this. I have no time. I have no time. For the first day, Cam finished the cup. Yeah, no kidding, eh? I know, except, oh fuck, except crypto, isn't it? Hang on, except crypto. Yeah, you were saying except crypto. I know, Raphael. It is red. My whole portfolio is red. Everything's red. Well, that's not my portfolio. There's my portfolio, except Suncor Energy. My dividend, my main dividend stock is 3.5% pretty much. Everything else is getting hammered on, hammered. Yeah. Oh my God! Look how low sundial's going. Holy shit. Oh my God, that's not good, guys. But as you guys know, these numbers don't mean anything. Wow, BlackBerry's almost down 4%. That's a buy signal. Mr. Al. Still following the line. I sent you, Cam. It's almost dead on. Okay. Yeah. Crypto did a bit of a turnaround here. It was just, yeah, it's down a little. It is what it is, guys. Well, Microvision's down quite a bit too. Holy crap. Canopy grow. The whole market's doing a huge correction. Oh my God. I didn't know it was this bad, guys. I've been talking to you like EV Hummer. Hey, those are kind of neat. I like to see women's volleyball. We do get it was, what else was I watching? Tennis the other day. I'm not much into tennis, but I've seen women's volleyball. I'd be traveling to my private island. Hey, that island's going to be good. Yeah. Hey, that's like, Sundial's like so cheap. Like, that's in crazy how cheap that is right now. That's nuts. Gloria's private island. Where is it? Sun? Yeah, I will check that out for you. We checked it out the other day, but I don't mind checking that out. We got nothing else to do. Sun. What was that again, dude? Sun what? Because there's a bunch on here. We got Suncor. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Elaborate, my friend. Holy crow, where was that? Didn't you just ask me that? Yeah, not a problem, Gloria. Not a problem. A whack of you guys own them now. Anything runs alcohol. Sunsur. Okay. Sunsur? Why don't I see it on here? Am I friggin' losing my mind? Why am I... Oh, Suns. Oh, fuck. What a retard. Excuse me. 7.70%. $15.59, my friend. Okay, we already looked at this before. I don't mind going through it. So it's sitting in a good number. I'm very, I like this one. Okay, so the week high, and this is through the V2. The week high was $16.41 for the 52-week high. Okay, the low was $12.30. This made through COVID, and it didn't go down that much. Okay, that's nothing. So it held that level. This is a very good stock. I can see right now. Very, very solid return on it. Let's jump in here. We got 5 more minutes, guys. If you guys need to go through anything, I'm going to be off in 5 to 6 minutes. So if you guys want to talk about anything, or it looks like this thing does get attacked a bit, but it doesn't. It always bounces back, right? Oh yeah, look at all the red. Shit. But it seems to always bounce back, which is fine, right? It means it has good pull. Yes, Crunchyroll is on there, and it's a modded version, so there's no commercial pop-ups. We do have Crunchyroll on there, and I have anime. If you specifically want anime on there, I can put Fire Anime on there. There's about 4 anime packages, plus all your cable stuff. But if you specify what you want on there, I can change the box a little bit to what you want, okay? And yeah, if you want just strictly anime on there, I can put like 4 or 5 anime apps on there. Not a problem. Not a problem, Kay. Hemi. Somebody just said Hemi. What? Hemi? I love Dodge, man. So yeah, I'm all over this one. This is a good stock, Jad. I like it. I like it. Jad, yeah, that was Sanjay that was the one that brought that up. That's definitely one of the ones on the list that I would put money into, guys. That's a good one. That one's up there with the ticker symbol T. AT&T. Those will probably, and some energy sector ones. That's what I'll be into. Yeah, Kay, if you wanna, you have my email, right? I'll put it up there again, guys, if you're interested in any of this stuff, because I'm gonna jump off here. I gotta get to the post office for you guys today. I gotta make some. I'll be busy for a couple hours even before I can leave the house. And you guys do need PayPal, just so you guys know, to do this. For the boxes, that is. There, I'm gonna pin it for you guys. There you guys go. There you guys go. Actually been having record rainfall. They're up a few inches. Oh, has it? Water skiing, have to watch out for rocks. Oh, fuck. Oh, that would suck, man. That would suck. Oh, that would suck. Oh, man. That'd be the first. Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, you got me in pain thinking about that. Oh, man. Imagine nailing a rock. Oh. Okay, guys. I'm out of here. Oh, no. I got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Sorry, guys. I thought it was 9 o'clock. Oh, you got 1 more minute. There you go. Jad has some style. Yeah. Your Chargers, my truck's a 2014. See, I don't buy all new stuff, guys. Okay? My truck only has 80,000 kilometers on it. No, actually 89. Yeah, almost 90. See, it's not always about new. Everything I buy, unless it's a quad or a trailer, is used by like 4 to 6 months. Even a brand new truck, I'll buy used. Okay, I just cannot $110,000 or $100,000 for a truck when you can get it for 80 and it's only a couple months used. Just the way I am. Are ya, Cap? Sweet. I would too, Jason. Pay those friggin' houses off, my friends, and then you can do whatever. Then you can do whatever, right? Okay, my friends, I'm out of here. Love you guys, Wolfpack. And you guys keep that shit real. And I will see you here in the morning. And hopefully this thing goes to the moon while we're wake up in the morning and this thing's on the friggin' moon. And then we could stop off at the moon, because there's people getting off at the moon. You know that. We're going to Pluto, though, but there's some cheeseball stuff for you for the end. Okay? There's some cheeseball stuff for you guys. Okay, guys, you have a good night. Okay? Talk to you later.